This tutorial is for beginners who need to process their video of the moon into a sharp and stacked image. Software used: PIPP, AutoStakkert, Photoshop. Let's start then. Open PIPP. Select Solar, Lunar Full Disk. Drag the raw video file in the processing area. Check the alignment of the moon in the pop-up. Go to Output Options. Select AVI as output format. Go to Do Processing. Select Start Processing. This will take some time according to your system specs. Once it is done, close PIPP. A folder will be created containing the raw video, which will now be centered. Now open AutoStakkert. Two windows will appear. Drag the centered video in any one of the windows. You will now see a preview of the frames of the video. Click on Analysis. This might take a while. After it is completed, you will be provided with a quality graph of the video. You can now traverse through the graph and find a sharp frame. Generally, it will be on the left side. After selecting a sharp frame, move to the preview window. Select 100 for moon and click on Set Align Point AP Grid. Because the quality of the frames go down drastically after the 50%, I will put 50 as the percentage to stack. Click Stack. This again will take some time. After this is done, close AutoStakkert. There will be a folder starting with AS in the PIPP folder created before. The stacked image will be located here. As you can see, the image has more features now, but it is not like the one you imagined, so let's take this in Photoshop. Open the image in PS. Go to Image Mode and select RGB. Go to Image Adjustments Levels. Set the red, green, and blue channels like this to get the perfect white shade for moon. Go to Image Adjustments Curves. Hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and mark dark and light regions. Adjust the curve to darken the darks and adjust the brights. This must be according to your own image. Click OK when you are satisfied. Select Image Adjustments Brightness, Contrast. Decrease brightness a bit and set contrast accordingly. Click OK when satisfied. Go to Filter Noise, Reduce Noise. Set the strength to around 810 and increase Preserve Details and Sharpen Details. Click OK when satisfied. Go to Filter Sharpen Unsharp Mask. Set a region with craters in Preview. Set the sharpness according to your image. Click OK when satisfied. Adjust the curves again like before. Set the brightness, contrast again like before.